Hi, you guys. Part two to the spring reset. So, in part one, I was just planning what I wanted to do, right? So that's the plan here. You can go check out that video if you like. What are the things that I wanted to do? And I was just thinking about this in terms of like routine resets and all that. And then I realized one thing that I really need to figure out before I can do anything else is how much time do I truly have to myself? Like, what am I even talking about here? Sorry about the sirens. Of course, the second I start filming, there is a siren. But what I really want to talk about today, how much time do I truly have to myself? It's like in life, I have all these goals, right? I have all these goals that I want to accomplish. I have all these hobbies that I want time for. I have all these social plans that I want to, have time for. I want to host. I want to, like, there's so many desires, right? I have so many life desires, which that is amazing, right? We want to have goals and hobbies and desires and plans and visions for life. We want to have all of that. That's amazing. But how much time do I actually have for this? So I just want to get super real with myself today, right? Because the reality is I have an 8 to 5 job, like 8:30 to 5 job, right? So that time is already gone to work every day. And more than that really, cuz it's kind of like commute time. So 8 to 6, that's work. Like nothing else is happening. That's work Monday to Friday. Okay. Very standard, for a lot of people. That is my life, right? So 8 to 6, that's already gone, right? So if we want to think, we have 24 hours in a day, and then Monday to Friday, how many of those hours are going into work? How many hours are going in I don't know, morning routine? Like, I just want to get super clear with myself. So we'll do weekday and we'll do weekend. Okay, so morning routine, night routine, cooking, meal times, sleep, right? So I just kind of want to do all this math and come up with how much time do I truly have for hobbies, for goals. Um, let's just do hobbies and goals, because right now that is what I'm trying to find time for. And maybe self-care, maybe that can be a category, even though that's technically like a goal. Yeah. Okay. So what else is there that I think, where my time goes? So sleep, work, morning routine, night routine, cooking, meal times, sleep. This all seems very, very basic. And then I guess errands, running errands, because we always have errands to run. And then I guess social time, time with family and friends, right? Time with family, time with friends. Like, how much of that do I want to spend, you know, with family and friends? And then, like, how much am I actually spending? Or, like, if I'm not spending any time, I'm not making time for them, I'm always like, oh, I'm so busy, blah, blah, blah. Then, I just want to get a clear picture of where is my time going. TV time, for example, right? Social media, scrolling time. Because I know right now, big chunks of my time are going into TV shows. They have for years and years and years. It's just a fact, right? Um, So I really just kind of want to go through this exercise right now. So we already said work 8 to 6. So that is what, 10 hours right there? Yep. 10 hours gone. Sleep, we should say at least 8 hours, right? Want to be sleeping for 8 hours. Honestly, I want to put 9 here because half an hour to fall asleep and half an hour, like once you're awake, like I want to be able to kind of wake up gently. So I'm going to put 9 because that is what I would like and I feel is like healthy and good for me. Morning routine. Okay, so showering, skincare, makeup, dressing takes me at least 1 hour. Night routine, I would say probably only like 30 minutes. Cooking, food prep, I'm gonna give it 1 hour. Meal times, so dinner is definitely an hour. Lunch is during work, so I'm not gonna put it in. And breakfast, so I would say for breakfast and dinner, let's just put 1 hour right now because a lot of times I'll eat breakfast at work. So okay, so that is looking good, right? So we've got this. How much time? I'm gonna just chat GPT this. Help chat GPT can do the math for us. I mean, I'm sure I can do the math for us as well, but just want to see. So that is already 22.5 hours, which means I only have an hour and a half every day during weekdays. So that truly, you guys, is not a lot of time. Like, an hour and a half is not a lot of time. But, like, especially given the fact that I basically spend it watching TV. Like, you know, that basically is my TV time. Like, not even gonna lie. So, I'm gonna say TV time. See, I want to say half an hour, but it's just not realistic because I don't know, like so many episodes and shows are 45 minutes. Now I'm struggling with this, and then it's like, you know, this is why I don't get enough sleep, I feel like, because we didn't even do working out in this. There's no cleaning in this. There's no talking to family or friends on the phone in this. Yeah, the struggle's real. So if I say wanted to add a workout in here, that's an hour at least, no matter what I do. Okay, so now my free time is literally half an hour, and I'm just gonna be real and call it TV time because I do watch TV every single day, and I'm just gonna assume, like, you know, I'll start it when I'm having dinner, so I'll be able to watch 1 episode a night. So as you can see, like, the time's just gone. Like isn't this true and real? And then that's why I wanted to do this exercise because I want to know where is my time going and how come I'm not having time to do my goals, or how come I'm not accomplishing my goals, and things like that. And it's because how much time am I actually spending on my goals? I don't see it in the Monday to Friday, right? So I'm just being realistic and honest about that. Now, some goals, of course, like for example, being healthy, that's ingrained in this. So that can happen, right? Like cooking is the way to accomplish that goal and stuff like that. Okay. So it's not that I'm not working on any of the goals. That's not true by doing this Monday to Friday routine. But it's just like, how much time do we truly have to ourselves? I just wanted to start that conversation. Okay, so now let's just do the weekend. So Saturday and Sunday. Now I'm going to copy paste this and remove some things, right? Like work, for example, that's gone. So now this is all free time. This is all free time at the moment. So I'm going to change TV time to an hour. Okay, so now I've got, I'm actually going to just do 1.5 so it's easier. So now we have 9 hours of free time. Okay, so I'm going to do chores. Let's say 2 hours of chores. So now we're at 7. Hobbies. Say 3 hours. So we're at 4. Okay, so that's feeling pretty good. Social time. So either with friends or family, I'm gonna say 3 hours. Me time, 1 hour. Okay, hopefully I have done the math correctly on this. So let me just ask ChatGPT again to review this and see if I've fudged my numbers or not. But I think that's very realistic. I think so. Am I forgetting anything for the weekends? Now, of course, I know it's not quite cookie cutter like this, but this is just to give me an idea, like, of, you know, like, for example, I have a coffee date with a friend on Saturday. So that's social time. I will obviously also meet up with my brothers. I will also talk to my mom. So, and of course, now there are days where you will be out all day and you're doing social things. But I still just want to, I don't know, think about this and just see, right? Like, of course, there will be like errands or appointments, right? So gotta factor everything. But I don't know. This is helpful to me. I hope this is helpful to you guys. Just want to see like where is my time going and how much time do I truly have to myself, and just having the clarity of Monday to Friday is helping me a lot right now, because then I'm not going to be mad at myself. I'm not going to be hard on myself that, oh, I'm not doing XYZ. It's like, no, babe, you don't have the time. You only have the time for your movement goals and your meal plan, meal prep, nutrition goals, and your sleep goal, like wellness goals, which that's awesome. Like, nothing wrong with that. But if I have a goal for a side hustle, I'm not doing that Monday to Friday, or if I have a goal, I don't know, for like dating and things like that is not really in here. Reading, I don't see any reading in here, right? So just being a little bit more realistic. So it's like, if I didn't read on the weekday, I don't need to be mad at myself. And or if I really, really wanted to, then it's like, okay, which one of these are you going to replace or take some time away from? Like, maybe I need to replace TV time and make it reading, right? So this is just, I don't know, I find it really helpful. This is giving me a lot of clarity right now and a lot of comfort. And just like, okay, let's just be pragmatic. Oops. Let's just be pragmatic about how much time do I have, right? I don't know if I actually need this anymore. Okay, I love this. I actually really, really love this. I think this is gonna truly help me when I'm planning and things like that, because then I'm not putting so much on my list every day, because it's like, this is where things are going. So I hope this is helpful. I really urge you to do the same thing, because I think we need to be very realistic, right? Like, it's very easy to make a list of goals. And it's awesome. Like, I think everyone should have goals in life. Like, I think that's a really great thing to have a vision for your life and desires. But it's like, okay, where is the time to make it happen. And I think before you can carve out the time to make things happen, you need to know where is your time going. So I love this. I really, really love this. So, okay, awesome. So I'm going to use this next time to, map out my goals, and I will slot in my goals here and my hobbies here and things like that. And yeah, I think it's an important question to ask. How much time do you truly have to yourself to pursue your goals, dreams, and hobbies? All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.